That's the first key I wanted to look at. So we started pushing up, and then we didn't get a red candle after that first candle, which we never came back and retested. We just push, put in a red candle here. Immediately buyers ate up those sells, and then we started pushing up again. I was looking potentially for an entry. So my next entry would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was my 5-minute candle. I was looking for a retest of that. We never got it, but what did we do? We pushed up above this key level here. So this key level here, if you go back here, this was December 20th. This was the Friday before the 24th. This was the Friday's high that we had broke above. Again, prior day highs, prior day lows are key liquidity areas. So we saw a break above, and I was looking for a potential retest here. And so what did we end up seeing happen? Well, we ended up getting this impulsive move push after retesting. It didn't retest perfectly with a momentum candle I wanted to see. But it did end up pushing up above. And then we started to see it just consolidate down here. And as it was consolidating down here, I already know that this area here is going to be a key level of liquidity here because we saw that impulsive move up. So if you look at the key area here, this whole area here is a key level of liquidity. We saw it break above, come back, retest it, stayed in this zone, and then ended up pushing up. So I was looking for potentially a retest for continuation, again, taking into account key push, momentum, higher time frame break. We already broke the flag. We're continuing to push up. I wanted to see it come back, retest this zone with proper price action before I jumped in, because that's the third piece that we need to look for, price action. So quick review of candlesticks. We'll have a whole other video on candlesticks, how to read candlesticks, but effectively what I am looking for, the primary ones that I am looking for are these first two. I want to see a bullish engulfing candle, which is where the candle, the green candle, when it comes to bullish, the green candle is encompassing and swallowing, if you will, the prior candle before it. Or my favorite one to trade personally is the second most bullish. It's where we see, this is a hammer stick candle, this is where we see sellers step in to push the price all the way down, but then buyers overpower it, pushing price all the way back up to show me that buyers are ultimately in control. These are the only two that I really look for to trade. These other ones get a little confusing. They don't always tell the best story. So they're a they're not as strong of an entry. These first two are the strongest entry that you can take. So effectively on this trade, I was looking for one of these two candles to form at my key level. So back to the chart, where did we see that entry?